Hello, happy Sunday again. Thank you for the day. So thanks. That's what only we have because I make to off the what's that my life because some I said he come already at home and then they have a conversation and it's louder so it's copy so I just quickly to off kaya that's why. Okay, so thank you again, thank you so much, thank you for the chat, thank you for the views, thank you so much. Next time subscribe wala na, it's okay, ganun talaga. Okay, so ayan yung isa. Nagdo-drawing siya. What you are doing? Unicorn? Why you didn't on the video? What's that? The light. May I see? What's that? Oh, okay, very good. She's make drawing. The fabulous. What's that? Yan. That's what she do. She's using this one. Ayan. That's what we are doing here. If she is tired na to watch the iPad. Oh, so now she's making drawing na this one. Oh. You see. And this one. Okay. Mga animals, kahit assorted, kumbaga assorted. Who give this one for you? On your birthday? Oh no. I forgot also. Thank you again. Thank you for everything. So look the weather. Oh, that is our weather. Afternoon. It's almost 5. The light. It's very. What's that? Pa the light. The sun. I want to see the sun. Maano pa ang araw. Maliwanag pa na maliwanag. Okay. Ayan. Maliwanag na maliwanag ang ano pa. 5 o'clock na yan. 5:20 o mag 5:30 na. Maliwanag na maliwanag. Okay. So thank you again for watching. Thank you for more blessings. Thank you for everything. So good luck, brad. Good luck soul sa mga plano mo. Good luck. School na ni Kakay at saka ni Sabana. At graduation. Happy graduation, Ate Jalel. And to my own sister-in-laws. Okay, so tingnan mo yung weather. Ang ganda na, okay? So, yela, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you ulit sa mga some vlogger that they are still helping to me from the beginning until now. Thank you. Thank you, subscriber. Thank you, viewers. Thank you, supporters. Thank you to all of them. Nationwide, worldwide, to the different countries, to the different people in this world. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless us all and happy Sunday and bye.